I'm going to show you that how you can use our PaddlePay plugin and how can you sell your WooCommerce digital products through our PaddlePay plugin, and you can get payment by Paddle all over the world. First of all, you have to activate this plugin. Then you will have some sort of options and menus, like as you will have a nice analytical dashboard here. From here you can see your last 30 days revenues, subscriptions, licenses, and your top selling products. And then here you can also monitor your sales and then your customers from all over the world. And then you will have a subscription funnel where you can see active subscription and cancelled subscriptions and then trial period. So let's see how we can connect our Paddle account to this PaddlePay plugin. We have to go to WooCommerce settings and then payments options. Here you will find our PaddlePay checkout and then click the manage options. You will see some sort of settings over here. You can see enable payment gateway, and you will have a testing mode also, and then you will have two checkout types options. One is overlay checkout and other is inline checkout, and the title and the description is going to show in the checkout page of this WooCommerce. And one more final and then important fields are the Paddle client token and the Paddle API key. Let's see how we can get that from our Paddle account. You have to log in your Paddle account first. So as you can see, I already have logged in my Paddle account, and then from this Paddle dashboard, I will go to developer tools, authentication, and you can see a button here called new API key. From this API tab, you have to create your API key, and from this client token tab, you have to create your client token. So copy both of them and paste it down here accordingly, and then click save changes. After clicking save changes, you will see the successful message. Here it is called Paddle gateway is authenticated successfully. Once you see that message, then you can be sure that you are now successfully connected to your Paddle account by our PaddlePay plugin. Okay, now what to do? Now we have to connect one of our products to the Paddle account to get the payment from the Paddle. Let's go to our existing WooCommerce products. Let's assume that you will have your own existing products in your WooCommerce store. I'm just going to demonstrate to you. So if I have an existing product in my WooCommerce store, so let's go to edit, and then from the edit section on product panel, you can see if you have the product is virtual and downloadable, then you can see another options is called Paddle. Once you check that checkbox, our plugin will automatically create this product in your Paddle account. And then once your customer try to add this product to cart, and if they try to check out, then they will pay by the Paddle. Okay, so let's see how it's done. You see, we are seeing a success toast. It is called Paddle product is created successfully. So let's update again, and let's see what's the changes is makes here. First of all, let's go to our Paddle account and see and verify that is our product is successfully created on Paddle or not. So go to the catalog sections, and underneath you can see the products option, and by going that products option you can see the product which is created on our WooCommerce store is now created on also in Paddle. So if I go to this product, you can see the price is also created here. You can also manually create this product in your Paddle account, and then you can manually add some prices. And if you try to manually add this product in the WooCommerce stores, then you will just to have copy this price ID, and then underneath the product panel you will have a field called Paddle price ID. Just paste the price ID here and save the changes. You'll also have an edit panel. From here you can edit the price from here also. Let's see if I try to change this price from here, like as if I change it to 39 to 29 and let's save it. You can see price updated successfully. So let's go to our Paddle, and if I reload this page from here, and then you will see that this $39 is now updated by $29. Let's see. Yep, it's done. You can see the price is now $29. Okay, so you will have to change from here also manually, and then you can update it. One thing, from here you can edit this price options, and you will have two types of options. You can have one-time charges, and you can have also recurring charges. What does the recurring charges mean? If I choose the recurring charges options, you will have two more options visible here, like the billing period and the trial period. If I put some sort of number or months here, then this product will act as a subscription product. Then your user will buy this product as a subscription, right? Okay, so let me show you the one-time charges first. So if I choose one-time charges, and if I view this product on our website and try to add it to the cart, go to the cart, proceed to the checkout, and after filling all of those my informations, select the Paddle gateway. Let's try to place the order. You see, your customer will have these Paddle pop-up, and then they will fill out those options, and they can have also multiple payment gateways. Actually those were supported by Paddle. Let's see where I can find supported gateways in our Paddle account. If I go to checkout settings, here you can see multiple Paddle gateways. So these gateways is supported by Paddle. You can see PayPal, Google Pay, Apple Pay, and so many others payment gateways is supported by Paddle. And one more important thing you have to keep on your mind, that you have to put your checkout page URL here. Like if your domain is on some other hosting, then you have to replace this domain with your domain, and then you have to put the WooCommerce checkout page URL here, and then your customer will successfully pay by Paddle. Okay, so let's see how it's done and how your customer will pay by Paddle. So if I put some informations here, so since I'm using testing mode, so I will give some sort of fake information in these Visa card options. Let's try it. Once I click pay, it will pay to the Paddle account, and once it is successfully done, it will redirect to the order confirm page, as usual, the WooCommerce order confirm page. And then your customer will download this file, your digital assets from this account, and they'll also have a nice UI from their My Account dashboard. If they go downloads options, they will see a nice UI from here, and they can also download these digital assets from here also. Okay, let's see how our transactions is saved on our WordPress dashboards and also our Paddle plugin. Let's go to our Paddle dashboards. Here you can see a latest revenue. The latest changes is affected here, and you can see the customers is which countries the customer is from, and then also you can see transactions. If I go to the transactions, you can see the $29 amount, and then payment methods, and then date, and also the items informations. Is these items one time or recurring? It will tell you through your WordPress dashboard. That means you no longer need to every time log into your Paddle dashboard to see your sales data. That means you can everything monitor from your WordPress dashboard through our PaddlePay plugin. And also you can manage licenses. If you would like to have managed licenses, then you can manage licenses also. And then in the setting panels, one more interesting thing that you can see, we have an REST API options. So what does it mean? It means if you want to sell your digital products, and if you want to manage licenses with these digital products, and if your customer try to activate those licenses from another platform or something else, then your developer can also integrate through this REST API, and you can easily manage any kinds of platforms and any kinds of digital assets through this REST API. And you can also see the activations, subscriptions, and also you can manage from this dashboard. Also you can change the billing date, you can pause subscriptions, you can cancel, you can resume. So everything you can handle from your WordPress dashboard. So okay, so it's done. Thank you for watching.